If you're looking for a stylish accent chair that's comfortable but doesn't take up a lot of space, this swivel barrel chair could be a great option for you. This is the Tina's Home Velvet Swivel Accent Chair. Shown here is the one in blue, and it works great for a variety of different rooms. And I will be the first to tell you, not only does it look amazing, but it is very comfortable as well. I love that it lets you swivel with the 360-degree swivel base. The curved barrel back with foam cushioning makes it really comfortable if you're going to be sitting there for a while. And it's got this nice compact design with beautiful velvet upholstery. It can work as a cozy reading chair, a vanity chair, or any kind of chair, really. Overall, this is a great option if you want a modern accent chair that's comfortable and has that nice swivel functionality. Highly recommend.